Hello friends, this is Dr. Shantha Kumari from Hyderabad. I'm the FOGSI President-elect for 2021. Hope all of you and your family are fine and safe. In this lockdown period, in spite of everyone sitting at home, we have no choice but to move out and take care of the patients in emergencies. But friends, always remember that whenever you go to the hospital or outside, please take all the precautions possible so that we don't contract any infections and bring it back home. At the same time, we should be able to deliver the best possible care to our patients. Well, friends, in this lockdown era, I think now FOGSI and all of us have moved to the webinar mode because we need to keep ourselves updated. We need to keep ourselves actually connected to each other so that we can just try to refresh our memories on some of the important topics in obstetrics and gynecology. So this week, my dear friends, we are going to connect at the webinar on the Wednesday, the 22nd of April between 4 to 5. And the topic is going to be prevention and management of preterm labor before COVID and after COVID. Well, friends, right now we don't have enough evidence to definitely come out with the guideline for preterm, but we did release a FOGSI GCPR which has given a guidance in the present circumstances how best we can manage the important emergency scenarios in obstetrics. So friends, let's have an interactive webinar session on this Wednesday between 4 to 5 p.m. So please connect with me. Make sure that you keep yourself free on the Wednesday so that we can connect. And I'm sure all of you will agree that these webinars are very interesting when we are able to actually discuss simple things, but very important in the day-to-day practice, in today's practice, because now none of us knew what this COVID was 2 months back. It's only last month when suddenly we realized that we are going to face a new issue in our day-to-day practice. And remember this is not going to end with the lockdown this month or the next month. It's going to be around for some time. So let us see how best we can take care of ourselves and our patients. And I take the opportunity to actually congratulate DocMode for facilitating this webinars. And they've been doing a good job because the webinar connectivity has been quite good and appreciated by many of our friends all over the country. And we really appreciate Aristo Pharma for coming forward and giving a helping hand to actually help us conduct this webinar by giving us all the support and the educational partnership. So thank you, Team Aristo and Team DocMode. So friends, remember, let's meet on Wednesday between 4 to 5 to see how best we can manage preterm in the present scenario. See you. Bye.